Have you ever sent out hundreds of job applications in Germany and never heard back? What if I told you how to land your first IT job easily in Germany or the EU, even if you have no certifications, no fancy IT degree? Even if you're new to the country and you're sitting in your bedroom right now wondering if it is even possible. Or maybe you are stuck in a job you don't like, but deep down you know you could do better, especially in IT. I do see people with computer science degrees struggling to get interviews, while complete beginners with the right strategy are getting hired in weeks. Even in my company, some new colleagues started their work with only a couple of certificates, but very important and easy certificates that I'm going to talk about in this video. In fact, my company is hiring entry-level IT support, second-level support, and cybersecurity positions, and I want to recommend you to my company. So stay with me as I will share tips, tricks, and why I want to recommend you to my employer once I know you, and how you can contact me all for free. So if you're serious about starting your IT career in Germany, I'm about to share things that could literally change your life. I'm Sirat, and this is Tech with Sirat, helping immigrants and newcomers in Germany build successful tech careers. I live here in Germany. I have been through this process. I changed my major from law to IT. I've helped friends get jobs with only 2 certifications, and I see what works and what doesn't. Okay, now let's get tactical. I'm going to give you a roadmap to get your first IT job this year, even if you are starting from zero. But I need you to actually do these steps, not just nod along. Deal? Please take action and start by dropping right now saying, I am fully in, and write the date if you are actually going to take action, and I will follow with you back soon and see the progress. Step 1. Learn basic skills that German companies actually need. Don't learn random coding languages because they are trendy. Here's what entry-level IT jobs in Germany actually require. Computer basics. What are the components and parts of PC and related devices? Networking fundamentals. Learn IP addresses, DNS, DHCP, and how networking functions. Just the basics. Operating systems, especially Windows, also good to know Mac and Linux, but not required. Understand how OS works and how to use it, and key things like command prompts, task manager, and event viewer. This solves 90% of daily problems. I say it from my daily experience. Documentation and ticketing. Every IT job in Germany uses a ticketing system like ServiceNow, Jira, or others. Don't stress. Each company has its own system. You will learn it very quickly once you start, and the logic of all these ticketing systems are important, and they are just the same. So if you know one, you can know all of them. German up to at least B1 level. If you're planning to work in Germany long term, consider adding German language skills B1 or B2 to your resume. It can double your job chances, especially in public institutions or customer facing roles like IT. Write me in the comments what you have studied and let me know if you have any questions. Step 2. Why certifications matter. I know you are waiting for certifications. Now let's talk about it. Many people waste money and time on random courses or certifications. Don't do that, please. In IT, skills matter more than degrees, especially at the entry level. Companies want proof that you know what you're doing, and certifications are the fastest, most recognized way to show that. Here's the path that works and worked well for me. I got my first IT job by having just 2 certifications. First, Google IT Support Professional Certification or Certificate from Coursera. It's beginner-friendly, practical, and recognized in Germany. Second, ADX CS50 Introduction to Computer Science. It's excellent and completely free. I only had Google IT Support and ADX CS50 certificates and got my first IT job here in Germany. Third, CompTIA A+. This is respected across the United States and EU, great for learning IT and fundamentals. So these 3 are the most important certificates that you should have. Bonus step. My company is hiring entry-level and second-level IT support technicians. You know, in Germany, the culture is that most jobs are announced internally first for the employees or their recommended networks, and then if no one is available, it will go on public like LinkedIn, Indeed, Stepstone, and other platforms. If I recommend you, I will get a bonus. Therefore, I made a 2-week free IT career mentorship program to guide you with technical issues, application process, and prepare you for the interview completely free. If you're interested, comment below and I will contact you directly and we can start this mentorship program right away. To learn more, watch the video until the end for the links and the details on the process. If this resonated with you, please hit the like and subscribe button. This helps me a lot and also it helps with the algorithms. Here's the list of certifications that I want to have for this year and the near future to have in your resume to be hired. 1. CompTIA A IT Fundamentals or ITF Plus. Great if you want to understand the basics of IT before diving deeper. It teaches software, hardware, security, networking, and IT concepts. It's recognized globally and gives you confidence for your first IT role. The certificate is for you only if you know nothing about IT. Second, Microsoft Certified Modern Desktop Administrator Associate MD 100 plus MD 101. Focused on Windows environment, which is huge because most companies use Windows. It teaches device management, security, and troubleshooting from a corporate IT perspective. 3. That's optional. Network Plus or CompTIA A Network Plus or Linux Essentials. Network Plus is helpful if you want to move toward networking later. Linux Essentials is useful if the company uses Linux servers or systems, which means for you it's not mandatory, especially if you're starting from the help desk or first level support. Step 3. Where does experience come from? Because every organization asks for experience. Build hands-on experience at home. You don't need to work in an office to get experience. You can set up your own home lab easily. Use an old laptop or virtual machine to install Windows Server and practice setting up users, permissions, and troubleshooting issues. I will teach you step by step how to do this in my channel. Try building a small network and practice joining computers to a domain. Document everything you do. Write it down, take screenshots, and upload it to a GitHub portfolio. You will need it in the future. That portfolio becomes your proof of skills when you apply for jobs. Also, get a free Microsoft Developer subscription. It gives you access to admin tools like Azure AD, Exchange, and Entra ID. You can experiment and learn exactly what real companies use today. Step 4. Crafting a German-friendly resume. Now this part is where most people fail. Your resume, or as they say in Germany, your Lebenslauf, must be clean, professional, and filled with the right keywords. Use ChatGPT to help rewrite and optimize at least 20 to 30 times. Include, don't just had the certifications, had what you did learn from each certification program. Your home lab practices, X and Y, 2000X to present to today's date. Any technical work you did in previous jobs, for example, helped colleagues fix Wi-Fi issues or set up software for the team, as small as it might be. Use bullet points, configured and maintained network with 10 plus devices, implemented backup solutions, reduced household IT issues by 80%, as many IT related experiences as you have. Even if your past job wasn't in IT, make it sound tech relevant or related to technology. And one more tip, add a short motivation letter, Anschreiben, explaining why you want to work in IT and how you have been training yourself. Employers in Germany appreciate this personal touch. If this resonated with you, please like and subscribe. Yes, really, do it now please. That helps me with the algorithms. Thanks. Step 5. Applying the smart way. Please don't waste time with easy application on LinkedIn or Indeed. They usually go straight into a black hole. Instead, go directly to company website, especially IT service providers, hospitals, or government agencies, and apply there directly. Target jobs with titles like IT support technician, help desk analyst, service desk mitarbeiter, IT support administrator, junior. If you apply to 20 plus company sites with a solid resume and 2 certifications, you will get replies. I know it's not easy, but this is the reality. The bonus tip. My company is hiring entry-level, first-level, second-level IT support technicians. You know, in Germany, the culture is that most jobs are announced internally, first for the employees or their recommended networks. And then, if no one is available, it will go public on LinkedIn, Indeed, Stepstone, and many other websites, including the site of their own companies. If I recommend you, I will get a bonus. Therefore, I made a 2-week free IT career mentorship program to guide you with technical issues, application process, and prepare you for the interview completely for free. If you are interested, comment below and I will contact you directly and we can start this mentorship right away. To learn more about this program, click on the link on the above right corner for more details. Comment below too and I will respond to you back with details. So let's bring it home. Your active plan for the next 30 days. Start the Google IT certificate on Coursera or Series 50X on EDX today for free. 2. Build one project documented on LinkedIn or on GitHub. 3. Create you a German-style CV this week. Can you get a job in 30 days? Maybe not, but in 90 days, absolutely. I have seen it happen. I highly recommend you to download the PDF attached to this video in the descriptions below. This guide will help you a lot preparing in 2026. So that is your 2026 roadmap to getting an IT job in Germany, from zero experience to your first paycheck. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe. If you want to learn more about my free mentorship program, watch this video or click on the link above.